Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is using the Emerald palette from Beauty Creations. This is what it looks like on the inside. It is so stinking pretty. One thing I was not aware about this palette, I think they changed the name from Emerald to Esmeralda. There's the Esmeralda palette, which is this one, and then the Esmeralda 2, which is a different palette. So I'll link all of that down below. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Okay, first I'm going in with this skin tone shade and popping this in the crease with my Morphe M441 brush. Down below in the description box, I'm going to put what shades from the Subculture palette you can use to create this look because these palettes are similar. Next, I'm going in with that skin tone shade and a light brown and popping this in the crease again with my Morphe M441 brush. I really love this look. It's like a really pretty springtime vibes smoky eye. That's probably what I'm going to call this. Next, I'm going in with that skin tone, the shade, the brown, and olive green, and just popping this in the crease as well. The green shade is a little light. I don't know. I was expecting it to be really dark. Same with the brown. They're very light shades. It's very interesting. Next, I'm going in with that like iridescent green shade that I love in the Subculture palette. In the Subculture palette, it is Electric. It's so pretty. This is probably going to be like a go-to springtime look or eyeshadow for me because it's just gorgeous. And I just really layered this on the lid with my finger. That just works best. Next, I'm going back in with that green and brown shade. And I'm just popping this on the outer corner with my finger. Using my finger to do this has just, it looks the absolute best, and I love how it looks. It's so pretty. Next, I'm going back in with those 3 crease shades, and I am just running those along the lower lash line with the INMO brush that we got in our Yes Oh Yes bag. Next, I'm going in with this Wet n Wild H2O waterproof liquid eyeliner in brown, and I'm just lining my eye, creating a little wing. I think I did my wing pretty good this day. I'm normally really bad at doing my wing, but I really like this eyeliner. I like the brush. It's very stiff. It's not like flimsy like some brushes are. So that's really good if you guys want to know. So I'm just going to go do the rest of my face off camera, and I am back. And for lips today, I'm using my NYX Liquid Suede Liquid Lipstick in the shade Soft Spoken. I have not used this shade in such a long time, and I think it really completed the look. I love how it looks. And I'm sorry my door's open. I filmed this on a really windy day and my door would not stay shut. So I'm just applying my liquid lipstick and just getting it all right. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below if you guys want to follow me on anything. If you have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see in the near future from me, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.